Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us solve this nice question. So we have solved 3 raised to power 4m divided by 3 raised to power 3 minus m is equal to 1 over 243. So the first thing you need to do is just make sure that you're dealing with common bases if this is to be loss of indices. So we can rewrite this as 3 raised to power 4m divided by 3 raised to power 3 minus m, and you can write these as 1 over 3 raised to power 5. But remember, from the laws of indices, 1 over a power n is equal to a power negative n. So it means what we have here is 3 raised to power 4m divided by 3 raised to power 3 minus m is equal to 3 raised to power minus 5. So now we have common bases 3, 3, 3. Now let us apply the second law of indices for the left hand side. This division, it means we just get a difference of the powers. So we're going to have 3 raised to power 4m minus this. That will be minus 3 plus m. And then on the right hand side, we have 3 raised to power negative 5. So the bases are the same. The powers must be the same. So we have 4m minus 3 plus m is equal to minus 5. So let us just collect like terms. You have 4m plus m, that is 5m, that is equal to minus 5 plus 3, so that is 5m is equal to minus 2. So this just means that m is equal to minus 2 over 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.